I inadvertently said that I was working on page 3 of the review at the end of the last video. This is actually page 3 of the unit review 12. It says the length of the side of a square is represented by 4x minus 7. So a square, and we're finding area. So I'm multiplying 4x minus 7 times 4x minus 7. When I write it down, I know first term times first term is first term. Last term times last term is last term. And the middle rainbows, how I've been checking them throughout the unit, is the middle term. So this is negative 28x, this is negative 28x, and when I add them together, it's negative 56x. A rectangle has a length of this and of this. What would be the area? So I'm multiplying 3x plus 5 times 2x minus 5. Again, first times first is first. Last times last is last. Middle or rainbows, inner rainbows, outer rainbows is 10x and minus 15x and adding them together is minus 5x. David purchased 2 pairs of pants and 3 shirts for $105. If each pair of pants cost twice as much as each shirt, what did David pay for 1 pair of pants? So I have 2 pairs of pants and 3 shirts equals 105. If each pair of pants costs is the same as shirts, no, but it costs twice as much. So then I have 2 times 2s plus 3s equals 105. 4s plus 3 s equals 105. That's an s. 7s equals 105. Divide by 7. S equals 15. And if a shirt is 15, then pants equals 30, because I do 2 times 15 to get the 30. Solve, always moving baby variables so I don't have to flip signs. Add 9r, 11r minus 15 is less than or equal to 18. Add 15, 11r is less than or equal to 33. R is less than or equal to 3 because I divided both sides by 3. Divide, which means this goes to here, this goes to here, this goes to here. So 12a4b over negative 3ab minus 21ab squared over negative 3ab minus 18a squared b4 over negative 3ab. 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Oh, the negative. 4 up top, 1 down bottom, 3 up top. B's go away. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 21 divided by 3 is 7. A's go away. 2 up top, 1 down bottom, 1 stays up top. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 2 up top, 1 down bottom, 1 stays. 4 up top, 1 down bottom, 3 stays up top. There's not A's consistently, there's not B's consistently. This is your answer. That is page 3 of the Unit 12 review.